Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a super simple yet effective technique in Adobe Premiere Pro, how to make a horizontal flip for your video footage. Alright, so here we are inside Adobe Premiere Pro. I already have my footage imported and added to the timeline. First, make sure your video clip is selected in the timeline. Then go to the Effects panel, which is usually on the right side. In the search bar within the Effects panel, type Horizontal Flip. You'll find it under the Transform section. Now, just drag and drop the horizontal flip effect directly onto your video clip in the timeline. Once you do that, you'll see your video flipped horizontally. Easy, right? And if you want to go back to the original look, simply remove the effect by selecting the clip, going to the Effect Controls panel, and deleting the horizontal flip effect from there. That's it for today's quick Premiere Pro tutorial. I hope you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of all my latest content. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.